Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a URL to SMS a phone number in Messages from Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you want to quickly send text messages to contacts listed in your spreadsheet without manually typing their numbers each time. To get started, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log in to your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Google Workspace dashboard where all your documents, spreadsheets, and other files are stored. Now that you're on the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to create the SMS URL. This could be any sheet containing phone numbers, such as a contact list, client database, or team directory. Opening the right spreadsheet ensures you're working with the correct data from the start. Before we proceed with creating the URL, there's an important formatting requirement you need to address first. Each phone number in your spreadsheet must have a plus sign before it. This is essential for the SMS function to work properly, as the plus sign indicates the international dialing format. Make sure all your phone numbers follow this format before moving to the next step. Once your phone numbers are formatted correctly with the plus sign, click on an empty cell where you want the SMS link to appear. In this cell, type equals hyperlink open parenthesis. This function is what creates clickable links in Google Sheets. Now, inside double quotation marks, type SMS colon. This tells the system that you're creating an SMS link. Next, add an ampersand symbol, then click on the cell that contains the phone number you want to link to. Finally, close the formula with a closing parenthesis and hit the Enter key. What you've just done is created a hyperlink that, when clicked, will open your default messaging app with that phone number ready to text. Here's where the real efficiency comes in. Notice the small blue circle that appears in the bottom right corner of the cell with your newly created formula. Click and drag this blue circle downwards to copy the formula to all the rows below that contain phone numbers. This automatically creates SMS links for every contact in your list without having to manually type the formula repeatedly. And that's it. You've successfully created clickable SMS URLs for all your phone numbers in Google Sheets. Now, whenever you click on one of these links, it will open your messaging app with that number pre-filled and ready to send a message. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.